Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 4, essay about teacher-posed obstacles, 120 points, 1,000 words. All right, so let's survey this assignment. What do we have here? We have the downward pointing arrows alerting you to the fact that discussion 4 has been extended through week 5. Click on the video below, please, and read the revised directions in this assignment carefully, please. Okay, so about week 5's extended discussion. This is a video you are watching and listening to now. And what are the revised directions in this assignment? All right, let's scroll down and find out. So we have our original directions for week 4, April 29th through May 5th, 2019. And we have the part 1 and also the part 2. Now we have week 5, May 6th through 12th, 2019. We have peer evaluations and we have instructors' questions in your thread, directions for both. So let me read these with you. Some of your peers have evaluated your essay, posting their evaluations of your essay in your discussion thread, immediately below where you posted your essay. 1. Respond to any of your peers' evaluations of your essay, talking to them. If they found no problem in your essay, thank them for evaluating your essay. If they noticed a problem in your essay, discuss the problem. And if you need to, ask for clarification of the problem. 2. If you evaluated your peers' essays, make sure you monitor any response to your evaluations and provide clarification of a problem if requested to do so. Instructors' questions in your thread. If you posted your essay, then your instructor has asked you a question or questions in your discussion thread immediately below where you posted your essay. 1. Respond to your instructor's question or questions, please, talking to her. 2. Monitor everywhere you posted in this discussion, making sure you answer any questions your instructor asked you. 3. If you have not posted your essay, please make sure you are aware of the late assignments policy, and it's here in this link. You just need to click on it, and it'll come up. Okay. I'm going to click on the back arrow, which will take us back into the discussion 4 assignment. Let me scroll back up to the top. We're back into discussion 4. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. You're never emailing me too much. You're never bothering me. Okay, let's have fun this week. And let's discover a lot more about Paulo Freire, this guy, and Chapter 2 of Pedagogy of the Oppressed.